Hello there, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. As we all know, we have been locked down since last few weeks and the government has declared mass quarantine for everyone's safety, right? So the school has decided to conduct online classes so that you all won't suffer with your studies. So dear, no need to be nervous. I will be guiding you through this and I will be providing you all the notes and worksheet. I hope you all will solve that worksheet, right? Okay, my name is Shraddha and I will be taking your maths. But before starting, let us first revise what we have already learnt in our previous class. So, first of all, what are numbers? We have been looking at numbers since we have started our schooling, right? Obviously, numbers are not something which are the part of our physical world. Imagine if there are no numbers and your parents give you some chocolate and ask you to share it with your sibling. What will you do now? Obviously, you need numbers to count the number of chocolate and to equally distribute them among your brothers or sisters. Right? So, can I say we use numbers for counting and calculating? Now, also imagine if there is no page number or chapter number in your textbook. How difficult it would be to find any chapter if there is no number. So, they are also used for labeling, right? So, basically, numbers are mathematical values used for counting, calculating, labeling, or measuring, right? This is something that you have learned. And you also know that we can build up infinite numbers using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Using these 10 digits, we can form infinite number. For example, 124, 3456, or it could be 62,002 or 36,782. Now, let me discuss my next topic considering the number 36,782. Let us discuss about the place value of each digit in this number. The value of a number decided by its position is called its place value. You know that, right? So let us discuss the place value of each digit in the number 36,782. The place value of 2 in this number will be 2 into 1, that is 2 ones. And the place value of 8 will be 8 into 10, that is 8 tens. And the place value of 7 will be 7 into 100, that is 7 hundreds. And the place value of 6 will be 6 into 1000, that is 6 thousands. And finally, the place value of 3 will be 3 into 10,000, that is 3 10,000s. Right. Now, for the expanded form, you know that the expanded form is nothing but the addition of the place value of each digit, right? So, the expanded form of this number will be 30,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 2. Comparing numbers. It is always good to know if one number is the same as or smaller than or greater than the another number. And so we compare them by the place value of the digits in the number. For this we have two simple rules. Rule number 1 is the number with more digits is greater than the number with fewer digits. For example, if I have 27,631 and 9,614, then obviously 27,631 is greater than 9,614. And the rule number 2 says that if the two numbers have the same number of digits, we compare the digits from the extreme left and continue till two different digits are found. These digits are compared to decide the greater or smaller number. For example, consider two numbers, that is 12,567 and 12,657. Looking from the extreme left side, you can see that the first two digits are same, but the third digit is different in both the numbers. And since 5 is smaller than 6, we can say that 12,567 is smaller than 12,657. Let us now discuss some questions related to what we revised today. Question 1 is, write the number name for the following number. First is 4806. First of all, we will place the comma. Counting from the right hand side, we will place the comma after 3 digits. And as we know, the first comma in a number is for thousands. So the number name will be 4806. And the next number is 41006. As you can see, the tens and hundred place is 0 and the comma will be placed after 3 digits counting from the right hand side. So we will be reading it as 41,006. Third is 2891. Counting from the right hand side, after 3 digits we will be placing the comma. So the number name will be 2891. Second question is, write the place value of the underlined digit. First number is 12,567. Since 5 is at the hundreds place, so we can write it down as 5 hundreds or 500. Second is 98,126. And since 8 is at thousands place, the place value of 8 will be 8 thousands or 8,000. Next, 124. As we know, 2 is at tens place, so we can write the place value of 2 as 2 tens or 20. Next is 57,564. Since 5 is at 10,000s place, the place value of 5 will be 5 10,000s or 50,000. Now the third question is, write the expanded form for the following number. First is 56,720. As we know, the expanded form is nothing but the addition of place value of each digit. So we will adding up the place value of each digit. So 56,720 will be equal to 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 20 plus 0. As at one's place we have 0. Next is 8,035. So this will be equal to 8,000 plus 0 plus 30 plus 5. And the third one is 43,911, which will be equal to 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 900 plus 10 plus 1. And the fourth one is 4,983. So this will be equal to 4,000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 3.